Natalie Portman, the small actress with a big name. Natalie Portman is American and Israeli. Portman is Natalie's grandmother's name. Natalie's real name is Hashla. Natalie's father is a doctor and Natalie's mother is an artist. Natalie lives in Los Angeles now. She likes Los Angeles because everyone smiles there. Natalie was all over the world. Paris and Berlin are two of Natalie's favorite cities and Natalie loves to visit Paris and Berlin. Natalie is married to the French dancer Benjamin Malibu. Natalie and Benjamin have two children. The children's names are Elif and Amelia. Natalie dances and ice skates in her free time and loves cooking. Natalie is a vegetarian. She says she doesn't want to eat animals because she loves animals so much. Natalie has an IQ of 140. Natalie is very interested in psychology and has a degree in psychology from Harvard University. Natalie is only 5 feet 3 inches, 160 centimeters, but Natalie is an actress with a very big name.